Hello, the psychic ssj here. So that's me. How to date the correct person from A to Z, part 2, and without the time in between. So let's dive in for the coaching 1, and you can book a call. So how to date the correct person from A to Z, part 2. So I have already uploaded a video part 1 to introduce my coaching, and so without the time in between. All right. So I know that those who think it's impossible, first I want to tell you that what you think now is an illusion. Everything what you think is not positive is an illusion. And I know you have tried to be positive, but you have to know how, and this is why some people knows, and this is why you invest also money to actually solve your whole life. Everything what solve your life, you invest money in. All right. Now I want, so in this part 2, I want to tell you so that I have said in the first video that there is 2 kind of people in the world: idiot and intelligent. And I will be again straight with this. It is the entire truth. Right? You know by yourself there is a lot of idiots and there is intelligent people. All right. And what is obvious to see is 75% of the planet is quite really idiot people. And no offense, but this is the truth. So 25% of people are intelligent. This is those that you want to talk with. And you don't have this around you right now is because you had to make work inside yourself first to reach this. All right. Because if everything was there and everything perfect already, you will not need to actually to train to have muscles. You will not need to train to conserve and to maintain your body. You will not need to eat well to actually maintain a good mental health in body, and you will not need to do all other things that you do actually to understand things to progress. Right. So there's the logic here. I guess no one told you that, but it's quite the logic to understand. You don't have what you have now because you have to make the work inside yourself first. All right. Whatever you think you have been trying to understand, no, didn't understand yet. This is why you're still looking for the answer. You don't have this clarity yet. Okay. So it's important that you understand that. And so, as I said in the first video, you have to actually focus yourself on intelligent people. If you focus yourself only on physics, or only on money, or only on other things, whatever it is, you're missing the point that somebody who is not intelligent can never understand love because they've never been thinking about how it works. So they cannot give you love. You will never be satisfied with that. Do you understand? So it will be considered as not the correct person. And another thing you have to know is the time that whatever you think about is untrue. You can, it's called some manifestation, but you can manifest this far faster. But I'm not going to put you in a manifestations. So like many does, like I say, hey, you manifest, oh, it's true, it's so true. Most of them try to manifest things, but they doesn't know how it works. And here you are going to know in the coaching 1 here. So I have 7 coaching, and here's a coaching 1. I will explain to you how it works. But I will explain to you exactly what kind of partner do you have to focus on to be in harmony. Do you understand? So I want that. So I repeat. So the time that you was thinking that the time that it takes actually to have this, it's an illusion. You can have this one, let's say, 20 times faster than you think. All right. So you can already have a clarity. I know also that, as I said in the first video, you have checked a lot of apps and been trying and communicating. This is not hard. Simply just doesn't work because you don't actually talk with the correct person. You think that you talk with this person because you appreciate the person, but you're not clear in your mind about what you have to like. So there is a difference between what you like, what you think that you like, or what you must like. Okay. Another example about this: you think that you like food with a lot of junk food, but you know that it's not good for your body. It doesn't make you feel good after all if you check. But you think that you like it, so you do eat it. But it's not what you have to like, so not what you must like in order to feel good.